Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. So AI Forms got a new feature in the recent update for Aimogen, and if you are using AI Forms, you will be able to boost their potential and they will get some additional features. So in the latest update of Aimogen, check your AI Forms, and if you edit them, you will see that a new settings will appear for all of them. Allow HTML responses. So this is off by default, don't allow by default. And if you set it to allow, you will be able to use some nice features. So you can instruct the chatbot that send a clickable link to Google, make it bold, use HTML. Okay, so let's save settings. And if we use this shortcode now, so let's copy it and embed it in one of our testing posts. And here it is. And if we embed our shortcode here, save settings, save the post. And on the front end, we will have the form and we can generate text. And the AI will be able to send a bold link to Google, which is also clickable. So you can see that the AI is now able to generate HTML in the forms with this was not possible until now. So be sure to make the AI forms HTML enabled if you want to allow the AI to generate HTML in AI forms. So allow HTML responses, you can set it to allow. Okay, and another cool feature is that LaTeX is also supported in AI forms. To enable this, go to AI form settings. And after this loads up, we will see the AI form settings, and be sure to enable LaTeX mathematical expression rendering in AI forms. So if you want to allow mathematical expression rendering, enable this feature. If you don't use this feature, be sure to disable it, as it will add some small scripts to the front end or on the page where the forms are located, and this might bring some performance overhead to your page. But if you are using it, you can enable it, and let me show you how this will work. To see it in action, let's create a form that will display mathematical expressions. So let's edit the prompt and ask the AI how much is 2 on the power of 2 plus 3, and save settings. We can go back to our testing post, and this form no longer will send a link to Google, but will tell us how much is 2 on the power of 2 plus 3. So let's generate this, and we will be able to also, it seems that we need to instruct the AI that respond in LaTeX format. So it is also recommended that you set this, as it seems that the AI is not always responding in correct LaTeX format. As you can see, we set it to respond in LaTeX format, and the plugin is now able to interpret the mathematical expressions correctly. So keep in mind, you will be able to use also LaTeX and HTML, and also Markdown. Conversion of Markdown to HTML is possible in the latest update of Aimogen. So these two new features were added: Markdown, LaTeX, and also as a bonus HTML conversion for HTML responses in AI forms. So LaTeX will not work unless you enable the HTML responses in your form. So beware that you cannot use LaTeX unless you enable the HTML in the specific form where you are using it. Okay, so this is the latest update of Aimogen. You can see, you will be able to use nicely formatted mathematical values, HTML responses, and also parse Markdown in your forms. And yeah, it will bring some new cool features to AI forms for Aimogen. Let me know what are your thoughts on this. Until next time, thank you for watching. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. It's really appreciated. This is all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.